I'm Sharon, and we are doing this obstacle course today. Some fun things to do with your kids at home. If you don't have some of this equipment, that's fine, you can improvise. For the ladder, you can just draw with chalk on the driveway if you're doing it outside, or use some sort of bars. For the yoga blocks and the pylons, you could always use soup cans or whatever you have at home. And if you don't have something, just change it up a little. So for example, instead of the ball, you could do some jumping jacks. So I am gonna venture through here. Ready and go. Uh-oh. Bounce 5 times. Bounce 5 times. Bounce 5 more. Woo! Pick up this heavy ball. Oh.